Hello guys, welcome to another video. So this week I have a few assignments that is coming up, not a few, maybe one, but I'm planning to also do some exam revision and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be recording for like roughly a week, a few days, so you guys can see what I get up to. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, let's just get cracking. So I have an assignment due sometime next week, so I just want to sort of try and finish it all off today so I don't have to worry about that next week. So what's happened is I've done work for about 2.5 hours or so, and I needed to stretch my legs because I was sitting the whole time. So I decided to go walk to this other building which I'm in now, one of the science buildings, to use the toilet just to stretch my leg and actually have a purpose. But yeah, I think now I'm gonna go back and eat some lunch because I'm a bit hungry, and then just carry on studying. So it's 8 o'clock and I'm heading home now. I'm so tired. Can't wait to relax and just chill and then come back to do similar tomorrow. Hello guys, today is Sunday and I came back from church and now I'm planning to do some flashcard using Anki and some past exam questions. Yesterday I was so tired when I came home after like hours of studying. Yesterday I did I was prepping my research abstract and research presentation, so that is what I was doing yesterday. That took up literally the whole day. I'm still not finished with it, but I'm taking a small break from that today to do something else, so that's the plan. Guys, so I just submitted my research abstract and poster. Let me tell you, that thing was stressing me out. I'm trying to get a distinction this year. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but I really put a lot into this. I submitted it, or I sent it to my advisor or my tutor to have a look at it, and gave me some feedback, which was really good. So I just sort of edited that and tried and submitted it. And right now it's like 10, no, I want to say 11 o'clock. So yeah, I can finally relax. I can close all the tabs and just not think about it until 2 weeks time when I'm actually meant to present it. But I should be fine. But tomorrow I think I'm gonna head to uni early to do some exam revision work, because I haven't been able to do that because of this research assignment. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So yeah. Hi guys, today is the next day and I'm heading to uni because I have 3 afternoon lectures. So that is the plan for today. Managed to finish my assignment yesterday, the research assignment, and now it's just like revision towards my summer exams. That is in July. So yeah. On my way to lecture. So my lecture got cancelled, so I'm going to another building to study, and then I will come back after like an hour for my next lecture. And then I'm gonna say hi. Great. It's currently 9 o'clock and I decided to jump on here to explain basically what happened. So most of our lectures today got cancelled, just like one after each other, except for one. It's the clip that you saw me in. And it was just like, it just threw me off, because you know when you have lectures, then you have like a routine, like you know what you're doing. I don't know, when that just get disrupted, I don't know, it just feels weird. But yeah, I just want to jump on to say that. Tomorrow I think I have a lecture in person. If not, then it's mostly online. So I'm gonna go to the library or some other building on campus, because the library is actually quite full. It's very stressful to be in the library. It's loads of people, everyone like trying to study for the exams, and it's just a hot mess. Oh yeah, my laptop broke. So now I have to use my iPad, which is fine, but I just don't like it. I'm not used to using my iPad, and also my Anki flashcards. It doesn't work that well on my iPad as well, so it's okay. Like, it's not the end of the world, but it's just why. But anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow.
Hello guys, today is a new day and I actually remember that I didn't talk about the books that I borrowed from the library 4 days ago, and here they are. So, very silly mistake. I realised that Reckless, this book by Lauren Roberts, I have already read it. Like, why did I borrow it? Because when I started reading it, when I got home and I just started reading like the first page, I was like, this sounds familiar. But I was like, oh, maybe it's just like a little recap from what happened in the last book. But this is not a webtoon, they don't be doing those things. So I realized I already read this book, so I'm gonna return it soon. But yeah, I've really been loving the Powerless series. Is actually a very good book. I don't normally read like fantasy, but this year I tried to get into fantasy just because I don't know, I want to do something different other than just pure like rom-coms and romantic books. Obviously there's an element of romance in here, perhaps a big element, but it has like a plot, like it has a purpose, you know what I mean?
So at the moment with this book, I don't know, I feel like it's a very slow start and there's a lot of words because it's a fantasy yet again. It's a lot of like unfamiliar terms and stuff like that. So I can't really picture the setting that well. And it's been like a slow start to the book. I normally like to dive into a book and it's like straight away into the action, but this one is building up, so I think I just have to continue with it. I borrowed it, so I don't know, I think I have a week to finish it, but I know I won't be able to finish this in a week, so just because I have other things going on. So I'm gonna try and renew it so I can just extend it to like a week or so more and hopefully be able to finish reading this book. But it's a long way to the book, so I'm definitely aiming to actually finish it. So yeah, but anyways, back to studying. I was gonna go to the library today, but CBA, to be honest. The weather is really nice, but I can't be asked. I was just gonna stay at home. Yeah, just do a little bit of revision. Hey guys. Yep. So I've been studying for 3 hours now. I'm getting a little bit tired, so I'm planning to find something to eat, like a snack, and then nap probably. But yeah, tomorrow is the weekend and I have work and other things to do, so I thought to just end the video here. Thank you very much for watching. If you are currently in your exam season or prepping, I would just wish you good luck for either one of the scenarios you find yourself in. Hope you get the grades you want and that you work hard. But yeah, see ya, bye bye.